So unfortunately, we're filming here after hours. Otherwise, you'd see a whole bunch of people in this department. But this would be the one of the occasions where you would expect to see a lot of people in front of machines. This area is our tool room, and unlike our CNC multitasking and milling departments, where I don't expect and nor is there a person in front of every machine. Those machines are generally run, one person may run 2, 3, or even 4 machines at a time because they're fully automated. In this department, we're building fixtures, we're doing finished jig boring and grinding, and so in this area here we need very high quality tool makers, and we're one of the really the last remaining shops to have a staff of highly experienced, highly skilled tool makers working on jig bores, jig grinders, IDOD grinders, surface grinders, and you know, manual 3-axis CNC milling machines. So to give you an idea, this is a Mitsui Seiki jig bore, bridge type jig bore, and what you're looking at here is a complex 5-axis full CNC field control that's machined out of a solid block. But the last operation on this field control is this bore right here, and it gets hard anodized, and so we machine out the anodized and put it very precise, very accurate hole in place, and that can only be done in a jig bore. So we have the, you know, a sine plate rotary table setup scheme here, and this operator will make 4 or 5 pieces. It'll bore those parts, and you know, but there's just no other way to do that. The key is that if we didn't have this capability, we wouldn't be able to do that kind of work. We could do all the wonderful, you know, CNC milling full 5-axis that we want, but we couldn't finish the parts, and therefore we couldn't be a supplier to that customer. So it's all about adding value.